In this video, we'll show you how to fix a car vent that won't move side to side. It's really easy, and you can use a common craft hobby tool to do it. So here's what happens. This little mechanism in the back connected to the side-to-side vents gets disconnected. You can use a crochet hook or similar tool to pull that back and connect to the front tab that moves it side to side. So you're going to reach in the back there and make sure it's lined up. Line everything up. Reach in the back with that crochet hook, and then you're going to pull that piece forward until it clips back into place with the front tab. And this is what it looks like once it's repaired. We got the up-down movement, we got the side-to-side movement, and we're all good. We certainly hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and enjoy the fresh air.